Hey guys, welcome to Sma-trendz cooking. Today we're going to be making spicy corn cookies. They're not really cookies, but that's a pretty cool title. And they are super delicious. They're also an after Shivarati snack. Enjoy! You're going to add now to start making them, you're going to add 1 cup of cooked sweet corn. Next, you're going to coarsely grind the corn. Make sure they're fully grinded. Next, you're just going to take it all out in a plate. Don't leave out a single bit. It needs to be all out. Next, you're going to add 1/2 cup of grated carrot. Yum, I love grated carrot. It's super delicious. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of finely chopped onions. They're pretty spicy, but they add a good taste. And you're going to add 1/2 cup of green peas. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Pretty spicy. You're going to add salt as per to your taste, as much as you need or want. And you're going to add 1 teaspoon of roasted coriander powder and 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Next, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of dry mango powder. And you're going to add, and last but not least, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour or rice flour. You can add either one of them. Now you're going to mix it all together. Make sure it's evenly mixed. Because a few things in too many ingredients in one small piece is kind of not really delicious. You're going to add 3 teaspoons of suji rava. And you're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And you're going to mix all the ingredients and let it rest for 5 minutes until the suji rava can absorb the moisture in the mixture. It needs to absorb it all so that it can get nice and thick. The batter should be a little thick, and you're going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of besan flour. It's optional though. You don't need to add it, but it's a nice extra taste. Now you're going to mix it all together once again. And now it kind of forms a dough. So you can mix it with your hands. You're going to take some of the mixture and you're going to flatten it on your paws to make patties. Cute little patties. Now you're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil onto a hot pan. And you're going to be putting your patties on it. You don't need to add one. You don't need to fry one by one. You can add a few more actually. So you can actually fry a few at a time. Very delicious. So make sure they're all covered in oil. You should flip them too. Just make sure to flip them all and make sure they're nicely ready. Next, you're going to roast them for 5 minutes on both sides in medium flame. You're going to be flipping them too soon. So you can just kind of move them around with your hands, but don't flip it with your hands because the other side can be pretty hot. You're going to flip it with spoons. Or you can use any other kitchen appliance to do it. You just need to grab one end, hold the other, and flip. Make sure they're roasted all nicely on the other side too. They need to be roasted nicely everywhere. So there they are. So getting roasted nicely. So there they are, all delicious and ready. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoy them. Bye. Thanks for watching.